Hey everybody, Sean Zinsmeister here, one of the product leads from the Google Data Cloud team. And today I'm excited to give you a walkthrough of Data Studio. The beloved Data Studio name is back, and we're really excited about the number of enhancements that we've made. We've got an all new quick start homepage so you can have easy access to your BigQuery Conversational Analytics Agents, your data apps that you build from your Colab Notebooks, as well as your report and visualizations. Let's start with just one place to kind of find all the things that you need in one convenient quick start homepage. So here we've got a great example of a report that's built from our partners from Meridian. This is so you can better understand your marketing media spend mix. Great template. So I can easily access that from my homepage and any of the other great reports that I've built. The other thing is we've got access to data apps that you would have built in your Colab notebook. So now you can really bring all the visualization and reports that you're building from data science assets and bring them right here into Data Studio. So you can build these really great interactive apps and be able to share them to collaborate and so much more. Finally, the third thing is you can access all of your agents. So for example, if I want to go ahead and chat with my data, we can see some of the agents that have been published from BigQuery in one easy place. All right, so it looks like a Googler has created this really fun magic card collector. I used to play with my brother way back in the day, and so I'm super interested about what questions can I ask about this data. And you'll be able to see that I can continue to ask questions and I can go into and edit this in BigQuery as well. So let's see what the agent comes back with. Maybe we'll ask one more query that we can explore together here. But here on the right, you can see some of the details that are pulled right from BigQuery. So it's really easy to kind of move back and forth. And I'll show you what that looks like in just a second. So let's see, like how about we see, this is good. Let's see if we've got a distribution of card rarities. And of course, I can switch between modes, between thinking and fast modes. We'll switch to fast mode. So you can actually change the model right here on the fly for those kind of quick questions and switch back to thinking mode for things that might require more complex reasoning as well. All right, so we'll let this run for just a second. Again, I can start a new conversation on the fly. I'm just going to go and show its thinking here. All right, cool. And there's some insights. And I even like these just easy to click on recommendations, just make it really easy to continue to explore my data. But here you go. I can see the SQL that's been fired up here and the query and the visualization breakdown. So that's super fun. All right, so I can also go in and edit this in BigQuery Studio using conversational analytics in BigQuery. So here I can see I'm in the editor and I've got my sandbox here. I can update the title, give it a description, add additional sources and tables that I might have, give it custom instructions. I can even add verified queries. So I can access this kind of like sub SQL editor. So I can write those in if my use case calls for it. And of course, I can bring in glossary and agent settings as well. And of course, I can save this draft and then share it back easily in between Data Studio. So that's a brief tour. Thanks so much for listening and let us know what you think.